Did you
Wondering who
know?
really owns the brands and companies we see everywhere in Jamaica? Well, today we're going to uncover the truth behind a few of those iconic brands. First, Juicy Patties. Is it owned by Jamaicans or Chinese? Then we'll talk about the messy lawsuit between McDonald's Jamaica and McDonald's International, and what caused McDonald's International to leave Jamaica. Then lastly, we look at some Jamaican companies that were sold off, often linked to political decisions. So let's dive into these stories and find out what's really going on. Did you know that Juicy Patties is a Chinese-owned business? The story of Juicy Patties is a remarkable narrative that sheds light on the intersection of culture, cuisine, and business in Jamaica. Juicy Patties, a beloved Jamaican fast food chain known for its delectable patties, has an intriguing history that is often misunderstood. Contrary to popular belief, Juicy Patties is not a black-owned company and has never been owned by a black person. This video will explore the origins of Juicy Patties, its growth, and its current ownership, revealing the company's Chinese roots and the dynamic landscape of the Jamaican fast food industry. Give the video a thumbs up and let's proceed. The start of Juicy Patties. Juicy Patties was founded in 1978 by Chinese-Jamaican entrepreneur Juki Chin. Chin's venture into the patty business began humbly, with him baking patties in his mother's kitchen. His deep appreciation for Jamaican cuisine and a desire to create a successful food enterprise drove him to start Juicy Patties. The first tour opened in Clarendon, and it quickly became a local favorite. Chin's entrepreneurial spirit and dedication to quality played a pivotal role in the brand's early success. The brand's entry into the Jamaican market was met with enthusiasm, as the patty, a savory pastry filled with seasoned meat, was already a staple in Jamaican cuisine. Juicy Patties distinguished itself by offering a consistently high-quality product, made from locally sourced ingredients. The company's commitment to quality and flavor helped it to build a loyal customer base. Growth and development. The growth of Juicy Patties was rapid and sustained. From its humble beginnings in Clarendon, the company expanded across Jamaica, opening outlets in major towns and cities. By the late 90s, Juicy Patties had become one of the most recognizable fast food brands in the country. The chain's success was driven by its ability to maintain high standards and its focus on customer satisfaction. Juicy Patties also diversified its menu to include a variety of traditional Jamaican dishes, such as ackee and saltfish, curry goat, and stew chicken. This diversification helped the brand to appeal to a broader audience and cement its place in the hearts of Jamaican consumers. Despite its expansion, Juicy Patties remained true to its roots, with every patty continuing to reflect the authentic flavors of Jamaica. Operations and challenges. Like any successful business, Juicy Patties faced its share of challenges. One significant challenge was maintaining consistency across its growing number of outlets. Ensuring that each patty met the company's high standards required rigorous quality control measures and a well-trained workforce. Additionally, the company had to navigate the complexities of supply chain management to source fresh, local ingredients for its products. Juicy Patties also faced competition from other local and international fast food chains. Tasty Patties, another prominent Jamaican patty brand, was a major competitor. Tasty Patties had established a strong presence in the market before Juicy Patties entered the scene, and the two brands have since engaged in friendly rivalry. Both companies strive to offer the best patties, each with its unique flavor profile and loyal following. Market competition. The Jamaican fast food market is very competitive, with several brands vying for the top spot. In addition to Tasty Patties, Juicy Patties faces competition from international chains like KFC and Burger King, which have adapted their menus to include Jamaican flavors. Despite this competition, Juicy Patties has managed to maintain a strong presence thanks to its focus on quality and its deep connection to Jamaican culture. Juicy Patties has also differentially introduced several promotions also and loyalty programs to keep customers engaged. The company also invested in modernizing its outlets and improving the overall customer experience. The ownership. One of the most surprising aspects of Juicy Patties is its ownership. Despite its deep integration into Jamaican culture, Juicy Patties has never been a black-owned company. The Chin family of Chinese descent has owned and operated the business since its inception. Juki Chin's children, Daniel and Alyssa Chin, are also actively involved in the company, with Daniel overseeing operations in Jamaica and the expansion into the US market. This fact highlights the multicultural fabric of Jamaica and the diverse contribution to its culinary landscape. Today, Juicy Patties continue to thrive as a leading fast food chain in Jamaica. The company operates over 65 outlets across the island, making it the largest restaurant chain in Jamaica. Recently, Juicy Patties expanded internationally, opening a restaurant in Miami, Florida, bringing the taste of Jamaican patties to a new audience. The Chins remain at the helm, guiding the company with the same entrepreneurial spirit and dedication to quality that characterized its early days. The story of Juicy Patties serves as an example of successful entrepreneurship in Jamaica. It underscores the importance of quality, innovation, and community engagement in building a lasting brand. Juicy Patties' success also highlights the rich cultural tapestry of Jamaica, where diverse influences come together to create something unique.